Hi, welcome to our last video number 7. My name is Maria Rojas. My banner ID is 015-887, and I have done this video without any collaboration of any other live person. Hi, welcome to video number 7. My name is Maria Rojas. My banner ID is 015-887, and I have not collaborated with any other live person on the making of this video. On this video, we will be demonstrating how to test between two means. The two means that we will be testing today are as follows. Students at Houstonic Community College get higher grades when they use their writing center along with their writing courses versus those students who do not use their writing center. The null hypothesis is that higher grades are only met by those students who are using their writing center along with their writing courses. The alternative hypothesis is that students can get higher grades without the usage of the writing center. First, let's start by finding the mean and the standard deviation of both claims. First, we're going to go to stat. We're going to summary stats, to columns, and we're choosing final grades in the writing course, and we're grouping by the students use the writing center. And then we're finding the mean, and we also want the standard deviation. So let me just click Control and click, and there you go. And now we're going to compute. And here you go. The students use the writing center. Notes, the mean for that is 2.6837768. If we round that by 2 decimal places, it would be 2.68. And for the standard deviation is 1.396456. If we round that up, it will be 1.40. And for our guesses is 3.2451456. If we round that up, it will be 3.25. Standard deviation would be 0.64 if we round that up too. All right, here we go. We have the frequency table for students that used the writing center and had a high score. For that group, the number is 47 students. For the students that did not use the writing center but still had a high score, it's 918. And for that, I went to stats, tables, frequency. Once there, I chose the students use the writing center and grouped it by final grades in the writing course. And I chose cumulative frequency, and I order by count ascending, and then I compute, and it brought me down to the table, and I went to the highest grade, which here you go, as you can see. Right, now let's test both of the means. For that, I'm going to stat, I'm going to CStats, two samples with data. All right, as you see, values would be final grades in the writing course, and I do have my standard deviation for the first one would be without using the writing center. It would be 2.68. And for my sample number 2, it would be final grades with writing course, but my STD for the ones that have used the writing center would be 3. Alright, now let's test both of the means. We're starting off with stats, C tables, 2 samples with summary. And it's going to bring us to the page that we had earlier. The mean for sample 1, which would be students that did not use the writing center. The mean for that is 2.68. Standard deviation 1.40. The size, it will be 98 students that did not use the writing center. For sample 2, are the students that did use the writing center on their writing courses. The mean for that is 3.25. The standard deviation is 0.64. The size for those students is 47. Now I want to find the p-value plot. So now I'm ready to compute. Here it is. As you can see, the p-value is 0.0008, which is higher than our alpha 05. In other words, students that do not use the writing center have a higher score on their writing courses than the students that do use the writing center. And we have proved that our null hypothesis is wrong.